Hi guys, today I would like to show you how I 3D print bookends that will be used for, as you may think, organize books. Why 3D print? Because why not? I have a 3D printer and I basically use it currently mostly for organization purposes. I've already printed lots of kitchen tools that are really great, that just work, so that's awesome. And currently I like to organize bookshelf. So let's go to my room and prepare printer, and I will show you which exactly model I am using. And of course, after that, I will show you the end results and I will let you know if it's worth it, if you can print it on your own, if you would like to also organize your books. So let's get started. Okay, so we are back in my home office. I have my 3D printer just behind me. It's Bambu Lab A1 with AMS system, as you can see it. Also, I have printed the spool cover. Uh, it works quite well. I show it if you want it. Let me know in the comments below. But yeah, let's turn it on and I will see which exactly model I would use for that print. Okay, let's turn this bad boy on. Pick. It's turning on. Yep. And there's the noise. All looking good. So yeah, I will show you the model. Okay, so that's the model I am using. Minimalist book stand, Bookend book sport from someone with the nickname Fifender. And if we go to the samples, we can see how it looks. Quite minimalistic, quite simple, but basically that's all I need. So that's the one I will print. So let's click prepare to print. And also that's a great thing with this printer that you can use Bambu Handy mobile app and you can print 3D models from the internet just straight from your phone, so you don't have to open your computer or whatsoever. So yeah, that's my printer. It should take about 2 hours. Print plates, yes. Next. Yes, that's my printer. And I have currently 2 filaments attached. So let's go with the black one. And yeah, let's make bed leveling, flow calibration, and yeah, we can start print. And that's all from phone perspective. And as you can see, the printer started preparation for printing. So yeah, let it do its job and I will let you know later on how it goes. Okay, I'm checking in a bit sooner than I expected because, unfortunately, once again, it's another time. It's not the first time. I experienced an issue with broken filament. I suppose it's because of the moisture issues. So the printer was not used for about, I don't know, 2 weeks or something. So maybe that's the reason. And I will show you right now what exactly it's basically the issue. Okay, so that's the error message I got. failed to pull out filament from the tool head. And basically the issue is with this filament in here. As you can see, this black one, it broke, and that's the reason why it's not working. So I have to click OK, check solution, yes, I know, and cancel quit printing job. And now I have to wait until the tool head cools down, because right now it's really hot, and I have to open this up and move that broken piece from here and push new filament from the spool. So it's not difficult, but it's a bit annoying. So yeah, we'll let you know once the printer cools down so I can do it. Okay, the printer has cooled down, so I turn it off. I take the small tools that were shipped with the printer, those two. I think that I will use the bigger one. And we need to push this part up to just open it. I think I'll have to move you guys a bit higher so you see what am I doing. Yep. Okay, cool. So we have to use a bit of pressure to do that. And yeah. And as you can see, we have this little sheet that basically broke down in multiple pieces, and one piece just fell somewhere down. This is it? No. Oops. Yeah, somewhere down there. And once we took it off, we just need to push it, and that's it. And now I will open the spool holder, and we will see if the filament can be used, if nothing is broken even further. So yeah, I have to click this button, and we can move this filament, and I think it's all good, so just turn it off. Sorry for the noise. I think it should be quite good. So let's turn the printer once again. In here everything should be good, and right now we will start printing once again. So I am opening my Bambu Handy app, as you can see, and let's print it. Prepare to print. Yep. And as you can see, we still have black filament visible, so we can just click print, and yeah, hopefully everything would be good right now. So I will let you guys know what's the process of that. Hopefully everything will be working right now. So, okay, I can see that the filament was loaded successfully into the toolhead. So it should be heated right now, and it should do all of the preparation phase, so bed leveling, calibration, and it should print. So thanks for help, basically. And also, if you experience any of those issues with filament, don't you worry, it's not a huge deal, but you can find everything online. Bambu Lab has provided quite awesome documentation about that. And as you could see, for me, that was one of the most basic fixes, because previously I had to even, let me show you, I had to even open this cover, remove the toolhead from the printer, and basically remove filament that's stuck in there. So that was definitely much harder to do, but it's all possible. So don't you worry, it's just a tool. You don't have to be scared of such fixes, because it's not that hard. So yeah, a little bit of manual work and you are all good to go to print once again. So as you can see in the background, and I will show you right now, the printer has started printing the first layer. So the fix was awesome, and it was really quick. So I'm really proud and I'm really happy, because the first time I did it, it was really, I don't know what I was doing. Right now I know what to do, and it just takes a minute or two to fix, if that's the most trivial fix. But yeah, in general, I have to think about better solution about how to handle the moisture in the room. However, put into this spool closure the moisture balls, that basically small balls that gather moisture. But I think it's not enough, because the filament breaks within the uh, those tubes. So even though, as you can see, inside there is 33% of moisture and outside 42. And I think that I have to once again replace or heat the those small balls, because yeah, it was better. And as you can see, w- it's oops, it's printing right now really slow, because that's the first layer, one of the most biggest parts, but looks awesome, I would say. We'll let you know later on. Okay, the printer has finished printing the first bookend. It's already cooled down, so let's see what's the quality of the print, how does it look, if it's in general worth it, so whether I can recommend this model or not. So let's see it. As you can see, the model looks like this after printing. Let's pop it without any issues. Okay, it looks like this. I can say that Yeah, the quality of the print is very nice. I will try to show it. Yeah, so as you can see, yeah, in here there is a little bit of filament, but yeah, the quality of the print is really, really nice. It looks really minimalistic. Also on that side we can see this beautiful pattern. I I don't know about you, but I really love it. Maybe I will buy another plate to have a different one, but this one is really awesome. So yeah, it looks like this. I think I will just hit another print. So I will have two bookends and we can make use of it. So I will start another print and I will show you the end result later on. Okay, second bookend has finally finished printing. So let's take it off really easily, as the same as the previous one. If we compare the result and the quality, I would say it is quite good, quite the same. So this is how it looks. Both sides from the plate looking good. So let's see how does it look on a bookshelf with books. Okay, so this is the end result. As you can see, we have one bookend on the left side, one bookend on the right side. It looks really great. Does the job. So mission accomplished. Okay, fun fact. The result I got were amazing. How it turned out on the bookshelf. So I've printed additional one set of those because we have few more books that we would like to organize correctly on a bookshelf. So we have had an additional set of those bookends. And few words about this model itself. I can definitely recommend that. The bookend is quite minimalistic, but it looks really awesome. This is how it turned out. So it's not my model. I found it online on MakerWorld, but as I said, highly recommend. It's really great that I can just start printing straight from my phone. So that's definitely one of the great features that Bambu printers have. So that's awesome. And yeah, as I said, highly recommend that model if you need something to organize your books. And regarding filament, I am using right now for this. I've used the Yayo PLA Plus, I think, black filament. I bought it on Amazon. It's relatively, the price is quite reasonable. It's not that so costly, so I can definitely recommend that. And as I said, the result I got are quite awesome for everything. So really recommend. I will link down the model I've used and which I showed in the video in the description, so you can use it. And yeah, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.